So I Bantu knot my hair, and I use these cheap dollar store rubber bands, and as you can see, they're breaking and my knots have come loose. So I'm gonna add my favorite curl smoothie by Mielle, the pomegranate honey line, just to smooth it out, give it a nice little smell, and add some moisture, of course, to my hair. So I'll do a couple knots. Go Bears, yeah, Chi-Town. So I'll do a couple knots, and I got my regular black rubber bands, so I say stay away from those clear, cheap rubber bands. They don't work, because I could have had some perfect Bantu knot twist out, but rubber bands weren't being friendly. So see, look at that. I'll just pull this loose a little just to show you what the results are with your Bantu knots. Like, it's curly. So I'll have some nice curls going to the side. But I'm gonna fix this, you know, add a little more tightness to it, and some curl smoothie so it can be a little more. So you take it loose. Here, I'll bring it up a little closer. You see the curls, but because it wasn't tight while I was sleeping, it doesn't look as defined as they usually do. So I'm just gonna retwist it, or re-knot it, and probably take it down tomorrow just to see how it turned out. Oh, and at night I do mist my hair. So yes, my roots won't look as straight. They'll look a little, you know, wavy because I mist my hair at night. So again, I'm all about locking and retaining moisture because it's dry and my here in Denver, so the altitude is so much higher than it was from coming from Chicago. So I've learned that water is my best friend. So again, I moisturize my hair as much as possible and deep condition as much as possible. So stay tuned. Again, I'm just gonna, like I said, use my curl smoothie and smooth out my knots and re-rubber band them so they can turn out nice and curly tomorrow when I take them loose. Now I broke my pump, so I'm just gonna dip it and just slide like that, and that's way too much. Way too much. And I don't wanna waste. And just add it to my knot. Work it in, get the ends. It smells amazing. And yeah, you hear a baby in the background. I'm at work. Nanny life. Oh, and doorbell also. Pause for a second. Okay, so I'm back. So yeah, gonna twist this. Use my fingers to kind of detangle, smooth it in. And I always twist to the left. So I'm gonna hold my hair up. And twist to the right to kind of start the process. And just keep going down. And I take my hands down as well to kind of smooth out the hair. You hear the baby in the background. Yeah, I'm at work. He wants to talk to you. And as you see, it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to wrap it around my finger and do the knot. And keep just tucking it underneath, like so. Keep wrapping till you get to the smallest piece. Tuck it underneath. Take the rubber band. And I do 2 times. And boom, perfect knot. Perfect knot. So that was let me do one more time. Yeah, they're coming loose. Uh-oh, look at that. That spring. And again, if my rubber band would have secured it, this would have been another curl and my end would have been so straight. So that's also what the rubber band does. See, it secures in the ends so the entire hair is coiled and not just the middle. At least just in my opinion. So again, I'm gonna add some curl smooth. I'm gonna separate it and just smooth in my smoothie. Again, we're going to pull the hair up away from you. Turn to the right. Begin to twist, pulling down and smoothing as you go. Making sure your hair It's nice and smooth going around till you get to the very end. I like to take the ends and wrap it around my finger and begin to do the knot process. Wrap around. See how I keep twirling around my finger? And then this little bitty piece, I'm tucking, and then adding my rubber band. One, and then two. Boom. And now your knot is secured. See? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to head over to my YouTube channel, Blaque-Queen. Subscribe to my page. Don't forget to like this video on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to share it. Thanks for the watch. Peace.